Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up payment method in your Bybit account considering that you are planning to buy a crypto or an asset. So first log into bybit.com, and then after logging in, you will see the buy crypto text on the top part of their website. Click this buy crypto and then it will redirect you to this buy page where you have to enter the amount and also select a payment method. The payment method is just below the input box of the enter amount part. Now, after entering the amount and also selecting a payment method, you will see this payment screen where you have to fill in these details. After finishing filling in these details, just click the next button and that's it. Once the transaction has been confirmed and authenticated, the asset will be now available in your account. And that's how you can set up payment method in your Bybit account.